Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for this tutorial, I'm going to prep my face with the MAC Prep and Prime in the Rose Scent. And I'm going to allow that to dry. And to prep my face, I am going to use the Tarte Poreless Face Primer. And I'm just going to blend that in. For my under eye circles, I am going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer, and this just allows it for the pigment underneath my eyes to be canceled out. And I'm also using the LA Girl Under Eye Concealer. To blend that out, I am going to spray this L'Oreal Beauty Sponge with a little bit of MAC Prep and Prime in the Rose Scent. I just think that it allows it to blend so easily underneath the eyes. And I'm just going to cover a little pimple that I have right here. Just like so. And again, for my under eyes, I'm just going to use a little bit of that LA Girl concealer. I think I have pesky, like annoying dark circles, so I have to sometimes go over it with a little bit of concealer again. And I'm just going to highlight this point on my face. Time for foundation, and for that I am going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation. This looks very natural on your skin, and Meghan's skin always looks very natural and fresh, so this foundation I think will be perfect for that. And I'm just going to set it with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm just going to press in on those areas that get oily on my skin, as you can see, using a powder puff. And just press it in just to hold that foundation the way that I want. I'm going to do my eyebrows, and for that, as always, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade in medium brown. To define my eyebrows, I am going to use the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in shade NC42. To prep my eyelids, for shadow, I am going to use the Urban Decay Eye Primer Potion. And to blend it out, I am using a MAC brush. And this one's a concealer brush, I believe. It just blends it out so well. For shadow, I am going to use the Burgundy palette by Kylie Cosmetics, and I'm going to use the color Beach and just blend it out all over my eyelids. I'm going to blend out Almond and just concentrate that color very close to my lash line and my outer V. Meghan's look is very simple, you know, she doesn't use a lot of colors on her eyes. I'm going to use the same shade and just blend it out on my bottom lash line, and I'm going to use that same Too Faced blender brush and just blend everything together. From the I Want Candy collection, I am going to use Licorice Rope, and I can see Meghan wearing a little bit of black on her bottom lash line, and I'm just going to blend that out. For a mascara, I'm going to use the Benefit Roller Lash. For bronzer, I'm going to use my favorite, which is by Benefit, and that's the Hoola bronzer. And to apply it, I am using the Too Faced powder brush. It's so soft, and I love this brush collection. For blush, I'm going to use one of my favorites, and it's by L'Oreal True Match. For highlight, I am going to use the Jeffree Star Skin Frost in Siberian Gold. For lipstick, I am going to use a matte lipstick by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this one is in the shade Buff. Notice that Meghan just usually wears a nice natural nude lipstick, just very subtle, nothing too crazy. I also noticed that Meghan has been wearing this really cute, dainty earrings, and I was able to find something like that. I'm not a jewelry person, so little, small, cute, I'm fine with. And I'm just going to set that concealer a little bit more with a L'Oreal True Match blendable powder. Just don't want that concealer to move or go anywhere. Going to highlight my inner corners and my brow bone. Like, I'm sure that she does this, but she does it of course in a very subtle way, because we know that putting highlighter, just a tiny bit of highlighter in your inner corners is going to give you that nice, fresh, I had a good night's sleep look. And here's the final look, guys. I love this look. It could work for every day. I love the bun, very stylish, very elegant. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did creating it. Thank you so much.